Prebiotics and your immunity. When it comes to your immunity, the gut has been found to have an important part to play. Maintaining good gut health can give your body's immune system a boost, and prebiotics have a role to play in this. The role of the gut in immunity. Most of us know that keeping our gut health is important, and this involves maintaining a healthy gut microbiota. Researchers have discovered and recognized that the body's other organ systems can be influenced by the gut environment, and it's now becoming realized that poor gut health could cause many diseases and conditions like lung disease or depression. Our immune systems form the primary link between the gut bacteria and the way in which they influence our well-being. At one time it was believed that the uterus was bacteria-free, however, it's now been found that bacteria can be detected in the placenta, ensuring that babies are exposed to bacteria from before birth. We're all born with an underdeveloped immune system and therefore rely on the antibodies provided by our mothers at first, but our immune cells then learn the best ways of protecting our bodies from illnesses once all the maternal antibodies have worn away. Bacteria in the gut are essential in this education process. Research has shown that gut bacteria maintain balance in our immune systems. During our lives, we're exposed continually to new things inside the gut, the lungs, and the nose through our environment and the food that we consume. Things like food additives, the non-pathogenic microorganisms found in dirt or dust, and pollen in the air we breathe all enter our bodies. Luckily, when our immune systems are healthy, they can handle these invaders easily. For those with an impaired immune system, inflammatory responses are triggered each time a new food is tried or each time a new substance is encountered. The immune system is required to maintain the right balance between tolerance and reaction. This tolerance is known as oral tolerance. It can be established by maintaining diverse gut flora with lots of different fungi, microorganisms and bacteria to teach the immune system cells in which invaders are bad and which can be safely overlooked. The bacterial balance in the gut influences our immune system's balance. If the balance is off, the immune system may adopt an increased inflammatory state that goes on to affect the other systems in the body, increasing the chances of developing a range of diseases including type 1 and 2 diabetes, depression, and obesity. Although most bacteria are beneficial, there are some that cause diseases to progress. Bacteria also adjusts to its current environment. This means that, when good bacteria become removed because of medication or dietary changes, some opportunistic pathogens move in to fill up the gap that remains. This, of course, leads to further problems, more inflammation, and health concerns. It isn't easy to permanently change the gut flora once it has been established. Once it has been disturbed, it usually returns to its normal state in a short space of time. So, for example, if you go abroad on vacation and eat different foods, your gut will return to normal on your return home. However, imbalanced gut flora can loop in negative cycles, reinforcing harmful functions. It is a lack of bacterial diversity that causes a skewed microbiota. Maintaining diversity means that your gut can bounce back more rapidly from any unhealthy dietary fluctuations and is more capable of withstanding outside intruders. As a result, your immune system will be better regulated and considerably more tolerant to change. As a result, you will be more resistant to disease and illnesses. What are prebiotics and how can they help? Prebiotics are food components that are known to improve the supply of food for the microorganisms that live inside our gastrointestinal tracts. They are capable of giving the beneficial bacteria in our guts the nourishment they need and, therefore, the best possible chance of growing and flourishing. It's possible to boost the level of prebiotics in your body naturally by eating more vegetables and fruits.